Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am doing a giveaway. So I have on my Black Lotus t-shirt and I'm going to give away one. So there's two ways to do this for a chance to win. And the giveaway will be Sunday, June 7th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will choose two winners because I will give people a chance that are on Facebook. Some are on Facebook and they're not on YouTube. Some are on YouTube and not on Facebook. So I'm going to give two winners from each area a chance to win a Black Lotus t-shirt. So here's what you do. Go to Sandra Lett artist page on Facebook and like my page. Yes, I'd like for you to like it. And then comment below the picture of this t-shirt. And I will have the announcement there on my page. Comment below for a chance to win. And please share with friends too. I would love to get some extra likes and other people for a chance to win. The second way is on YouTube. You go to YouTube and you have to be logged in on YouTube. And number one, subscribe to my channel. And then under the video, this video, comment, "I'd love to win," or something like that. So I will tally up all the comments on my YouTube channel. So number one, like the YouTube channel, which is Sandra Lett, and then comment below the video, this video, about the shirt. And I will pick two lucky winners Sunday evening to give a Black Lotus t-shirt to. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing who participates. Thank you. Bye-bye.